Hey. So we are alive. We are alive. We're shorting this Nasdaq. There is. I know what I'm looking at in a second here. I'm looking for what the heck is so much hurt. For chart framework, I don't know why. Shorting the Nasdaq right now. Shorting the Nasdaq. So interesting enough, they didn't have a crazy gap opening. It looks like. Um, it's like price on Friday close here. To look at price close and open almost in the same spot from last week. So my eyes are one, obviously these lows here. And if we get these lows here, that would be nice. That's what I'm expecting for NASDAQ. It looks like we didn't really get much of a gap opening. I do want us to stay below this level here if we even have any momentum to go higher. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a wide stop. I don't even think we get that much momentum. Right, I don't think we even go up here, but I'm just gonna put it up there, right? I might adjust it as I look at the electron trading hours, but point is, I can see us tanking down here. Um, but looking at price though, we didn't really have that much of a crazy gap opening, right? Let's go on 1 minute chart. Look at this. Check this out. Well, I mean, literally Friday closed here, and then today open up here. So we're gonna still highlight that, but that should turn to shorting the Nasdaq, shorting the Nasdaq smoothly. You know, me and the Texas Heights group, we talked about this. At least me and Edric, we spoke about this on our TikTok live. How price should not go beyond the 950 level. So this short was easy, no brainer. At least my books. All right, let's get back to the chart right now to see if we run any pool liquidity. But overall, at least I want to see us take out. We're ready to got this pool liquidity, which is good. I want to see us go to 22,860, ideally. See if we get that. I think this week is gonna be a deep retracement, guys. Just a deep, deep overall retracement. Oh, there's I could have added more. Oh, I was busy talking to you guys. Oh my gosh, there was plenty of room to add more to this trade. My goodness, I missed it. Missed it. It's on me. It's not you guys' fault. Like if you look at what price looks on the second charts, oh my god, it's just the breakdown is beautiful, guys. Like this is a trade you can definitely add more. Look at this beauty of a trade. Watch these lows get tagged here, guys. It's just beautiful. I'm actually mad at the answers position. This is one of those positions that you could easily add to. Easily add to. So again, this is about to get snatched right here. How beautiful. We're gonna take something off the table here. So let's not get too carried away, right? So we'll see if price wants to continue dropping lower here. I really wish. I know liquid extraction is going. Hey, I mean, me and liquid extraction spoke about it. That's the funniest thing. We spoke about what price is going to do ahead of time. So this was very funny. Like price is doing exactly what we expected. Literally to the T. Can't make this up. I'm not mad about. I had a late night workout, guys, and got through my charts late today actually. So, oh, US 30 is pushing higher. I just realized I haven't looked at US 30. I'm gonna take some more off here. So at this point, price has done exactly what it needs to do. Now, if it keeps dropping lower, great. Don't worry. I'm gonna change this laptop I use. Just so slow. My goodness. This is a beautiful price. Easy shorts. Now, be transparent. In London, I did try to take some buys that didn't play out well. But let's look at these executions. Look at that beautiful execution, guys. How beautiful. How beautiful. Liquid extraction. I know you're out there cooling. Cool like a cool cat. Probably put up 40 contracts or something. The questions where they want to put our stop right because let me actually look at S&P, see what's going on. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna roll our stops way lower because S&P and 30 are not taking a shit yet. Let's see how price interacts with these old highs. I'd like to see a sweep lower here, but even though we're not seeing the same momentum from S&P and 30, see price wants to give us that drop. At this point, I'm gonna bring my stop loss way closer. What I'm really mad about, I wasn't fully engaged in price because I kind of woke up late today, guys. But there was hella opportunities to add to this trade. Hella opportunities to add to this trade. Like, if I show you guys on the second chart, so you see them. Especially on that, if you look on the 15-second chart, oh my god, it was hella opportunities to add. I was busy analyzing charts. I wasn't on my even on my top of my game. But look at this nice little loop zone here. The drop price. Boom. Another entry would have been taken around here. This could have been a nice entry for more sales, but I missed it. Look at the 10-second chart, even shows it more. Like this, at this point, I'm satisfied, right? Already had a 50-point drop. This is what I mean when last week, you see the markets were a little bit tougher to trade. This week, already done. Like I can literally call it. I'm not this week, today. I'm already done. Right? I can literally just call it a day, and I will. I already caught more than 50 points. What else do I need? Nothing else. Right? Let's make sure it's 50 points. I know 6 points. 2286. 868 to 238. Done. So that's the trade. Easy, catching the highs. This was expected trade. Um, I don't feel like engaging back in risk just because US 30 is going crazy. So that being said, it's gonna be a very short one, guys. I mean, I don't feel like engaging price anymore. This is a relief from last week. Last week was very, I guess, back and forth consolidation. But honestly, this right here can offer shorts. I will not be surprised. It is 1 minute level here off the shorts. I'm just no longer interested in price no more. I got my price run, got my pound of flesh. And if I'm looking at where I got in, all the way down here, yeah, way more than 50 points, guys. Like this, I'm missing 100 point, 80 points. I don't need to do anything else. Look at that reversal now. Again, partly because US 30 was not dropping, S&P was not dropping, so you want to be cautious of that. So price has ran below these equal lows, and then open price has dropped lower, and now we're going higher. So nice, 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 nice trading setup. Easy. That's it. I don't really feel like being on here that long. Simple. So catch you guys next time. See what price does from here. But I don't really care to be, um, you know, still here. I mean, price did what they had to do. So I mean, this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful price action. But again, like even this drop in here was nice to buy into if you're convicted of buys. Because honestly, when I first opened my charts, I was trying to get in buys. In fact, I got on buys earlier in London, and then that stopped me out. But I was so tired, I didn't really pay attention to the price, and took off. I was expecting the price maybe retrace back a little bit here and give me an entry. Did not give it to me. So there is some structural buying momentum that's below here during London. So as much as price traded lower aggressively, if you are still trying to be a buyer, you have to keep in mind that S&P and US 30 were going higher. So this would have been a good opportunity to still buy after a sweep on equal lows. And if you look at it from a 15-minute perspective, all right, run into this what? These C4s, and then price goes higher. So now the two things is, does price get held here, or you can get held at bay here, or you can see price trade a little bit higher here. Ideally, if we're gonna stay short, I want to see price be held here. I really want to see price go beyond this overall for this week. So I could stay here, hunt shorts. I don't feel like doing it. If it goes higher above this high, and I come back during PM session, because PM session I'm gonna try and catch another 50 points. I haven't given you guys a PM session live trading session yet. We'll see if I do that this week or today. But even if price sweeps above here, as long as price comes back below this nice little 15-minute loop zone here, I'm looking for shorts. I don't see this is what I'm looking for the week, guys. Let's go on the 4-hour chart for a second. I'm looking for price to take out these lows here into the shaded orange area, which is a weekly. If you're looking at a weekly chart, it's a weekly loose zone. I'll leave it up to you. So I want to see price trade below here and eventually even into this level here. So that's all I'm expecting. This is last week's low over here. We're yet to take that. If price eventually, this is future predictions, if price eventually closes on a 4-hour basis beyond this 4-hour loop zone here, that I've highlighted these two blue areas, blue lines. If price closes outside that and then retrace a little higher here, I'm expecting those shorts to deliver. So overall, I'm looking for lower prices, just a retracement for this week. And that's a profile rate. So that's that again. I would still be looking for shorts personally. I'm not a fan of price going above this level, but I'm not gonna touch it. Okay. I already cut my pound of flesh this AM session. I'll let other people fight for their bread and butter. I already got mine. So until next time, guys. I'll catch you guys later.